Everyone, in today's video I will show you how to craft your own emojis on iOS 18. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.2 or newer. To check it, go to settings, then tap onto general and go to software update and make sure your iOS is updated to 18.2 or newer. Also make sure that your Apple Intelligence is turned on. Make sure that your Apple Intelligence and Siri is turned on. This feature is exclusive to iPhone 16 models and iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. Then step 2 is open messages or any app where you can access the keyboard and tap onto it. Look for describe an emoji on the keyboard. First of all, you have to tap onto emoji and you can see that describe an emoji and type a custom emoji you want to wear. For example, I am typing cat on moon. And then tap onto this plus icon with the emoji here, and iOS will make a custom emoji for you. Now you can create your unique emojis. Just you have to type a short description of the emoji you want, and you can see iOS is showing me different types of emojis for my short description. Although these emojis appear in a square format for now, future updates might refine their designs, or stay tuned. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.